Vanakkam, I'm Manikant Kadri. I'm the music director for Manadil Mayam Sedai. There are 5 songs in the movie and I'm extremely happy the way they have turned out. உங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே இந்த பாட்டு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். And please support us. Thank you.
மைனாக்கு அப்புறம் என்னோட நெக்ஸ்ட் படம் மனதில் மாயம் செய்தாய் அதோட ஆடியோ ரிலீஸ் இன்றைக்கு. மணிகாந்த் கதிரி சார் இஸ் த மியூசிக் டைரக்டர். சுரேஷ் குமார் இஸ் த டைரக்டர் ஆஃப் த மூவி அண்ட் பாட்டுகளெல்லாம் நல்லா வந்திருக்கு. கண்டிப்பாக இது ஹிட் லிஸ்ட்டில் வந்துட்டு ஃபீல் இருக்குது எனக்கு. ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ்.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். மை நேம் இஸ் சுரேஷ் பி குமார். In this movie director Manadil Mayam Sedai MMS, and this movie is Prince and Maina Sethu and Disha Pandey and Richa Panay the hero heroines, and Nikhil Galravi and Manobala is the lead characters. And this movie Manikant Kadri is the music director and Stunt Joshua is the fight master. Venkat Hanuma is the cinematographer in this movie and may be released in this month ending. Okay, thank you.
Hello, hi, my name is Prince. We are here for the audio launch of Manadil Mayam Sedai. This is my first movie, debut in Tamil. I've worked for 5 movies in Telugu, out of which 3 have already released and 2 are yet to come. Wish me luck, thank you. My character in the movie, I'm playing the lead, who's a innocent guy who turns out to be indirect murderer in the second half.
Firstly, I thank all the press people who have come here, all the distinguished guests, and all the people who have come here to be with us on this audio launch of this film. I give a special thank to Mr. Padma Shri, Mr. Priyadarshan, who has taken our invitation and come us, and Mr. Priyadarshan, who has also come along with us. I extended my heartfelt thanks to you for honoring us for this audio launch. And also I thank Mr. Prabhu Solomon, who was also with us during the puja time and our continuous support to us. For that I give a special thanks to you also. As a corporate house, I'm not so very familiar with Tamil and all that, so please excuse me. As a corporate house, we run a company called Global Remote, which are very into the service industry of oil and gas. We operate in India, in all over the Middle East and some parts of Far East like Vietnam and all that. We operate our sector. We are well established in that. So as we running this business, we thought of extending ourselves into a different sector. So one day I was thinking, which is the other sector which I can go into it. So normally எல்லாருமே எந்த செக்டர் போனா சினிமான்னு சொன்னா ஐயோ சினிமாக்கா போறீங்க அவ்வளவுதான் உங்க காசெல்லாம் போயிடுச்சு எடுத்துன்னு போய் விட்டுறீங்க அவ்வளவுதான். The first answer what was that. But the instance which changed me partly on that, which I very much touched, like which I got into it, because before I start this company I was into a mutual fund where I went to have some deposit, some small money into it. So the fund manager who was sitting with me told me that, sir, you want 95% risk or 50% risk or 25% risk? Then it's 90, so my money is 95% risk when I put into it. So maybe it will come, it will not come. So when I get into the movie industry, when I asked for it, the same question said. Some of my stalwarts in this told me that movie is also 95% risk and 5% is the thing. So I thought, okay, better we'll go for the movie. So from that day onwards, I started doing this company called Full House Entertainment. We have not much experienced into that, but again, I can say you that we have done a lot of international events. We have done a lot of international events in Dubai, we have done events, but all technical. It's not into the entertainment division, so we are not much into that. But again, you know, the bench or the ballpark is the same for events or whatever the way it is. So with that experience, we thought, why can't we come into it? So we started doing in the Full House, we started doing the events. So we have done the first event called Madras Market, which was a great success. Again, we did Madras Market Malay, which was also a success. And also again, last month we did a Madras Market, again it was a great success. So that events division also carried us along with us in a good fashion. Then I thought, why can't we go into the movies? So movies again, it is a big market. I don't know much about that. So I came across in Hyderabad one of the directors. His name is Suresh P. Kumar. I've seen his work. I've seen his confidence, and I thought, why can't I go for it? So I got a story. Then I thought I'll take out a movie. Everything went on well, and that's how this Manadil Mayam Seidai has come out. Now, again, since we are not so much experienced into the movies and all that, but the corporate house, as we have directors and everything, we are very strong into it. So I like to introduce all my directors. Everyone says I am the managing director of the company, so I am leading and all that. But I'll tell you where I am standing in this company before. So, first of all, I like to introduce Vince. He's one of my close associates who's heading our production, who's having 19 years of experience, who take care all my productions in the site, wherever all the logistics and everything is taken care of. So he has been, thanks Vince. And he is like our engine in the company who runs it. Okay? Now, I'd like to introduce my finance director, Uttara Sridharan, who takes care of all my finance globally. The only person I just fold my hands and stays every day. Show their way to go for it. So she's there, she's like she's the four tires of the vehicle, and the chassis and the petrol engine. So she is the engine, is the chassis and four-wheelers of that. So this comes in. And I like to introduce Mr. Boyd Boxer, come on stage. He's from Australia. He's one of our director in the company who's been with us for the last 7 years. Eating idli, dosa, vada, and you just tell him, he'll make a good idli, dosa and vada for you. He was so expert in that. Okay? And very famous, like what you can say, he's a star in celebrity in Savanabhavan. Yes. So he's our technical director and looks after our operations. So he's like, we can say he's like our design and everything on that. Okay, so he's like our design who makes trims and everything, looks nice, all the quality things and everything. So he's one of our engine in that. And I like to invite Sarah Natasha, who is our PR and heads our events, who trims it, everything, make colorful things, interior, all the trims and everything. So now I can say that he's the engine, he's the chassis wheel and the petrol tank, because it is the finance department. Okay, and he's our quality and all that, and she is our colorful things, which makes everything. So where I am standing now, I'm not the driver. Like you have seen a car. Okay, when the car comes into the road, how you identify whether it's a BMW or Benz from the grill? No. So I am the grill of the car. Okay, I am the face, like only the grill, but nothing to do with it. So if the engine is big, I have to be like, so if they are very strong, I have to show my grill. I cannot put a Fargo lorry or a Fargo truck grill so that my team will go waste. So I have to face my thing very good. So this is my full house team. I thank and each everyone on this for supporting me, who makes me these things a great event which I came to up to this way in a successful. I think that's the only thing I have to read. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
குட் ஈவினிங் எவ்ரிபடி, மாலை வணக்கம். ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. இன்னைக்கு மனதில் மாயம் செய்தாய் படத்தோட ஆடியோ லான்ச். அண்ட் நாங்கள் எல்லாம் தபமாக இருக்கிற மாதிரி இந்த படத்தை வந்து ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு நான் வந்து மியூசிக் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். For all this, I would like to thank all my gurus, my beloved parents for their lovely blessings, and my lovely family for their love and support, all my friends and relatives for their support, encouragement, and my lovely team Kadri's Keys for their contribution towards this album. The படத்தில் total 5 songs இருக்குது. We are very unfortunate not to have Wally sir's lyrics in this album. நான் முத்துக்குமார் சார் வந்து இதில் 2 பாட்டு எழுதியிருக்காரு. யுகபாரதி சார், முத்தமிழ், and we have got a very good lineup of singers also. Karthik வந்து ஒரு solo song பாடியிருக்காரு, and Vijay Sudas, Hari Charan, Shweta Mohan, Hamsika Iyer, and a special song we have featured Tanjai Selvi, இவங்களும் ஒரு சாங் பாடியிருக்காங்க. And we have featured Tupaki Boys என்ற ஒரு hip-hop band from Chennai. Palakkad Sriram sir இதில் ஒரு பாட்டு பாடியிருக்காரு. And new singers Nikhil Matthew and Saptaparna Chakrabarti இவங்களை பாடியிருக்காங்க. And we'll all be performing the song today. And I'm extremely happy. I really thank Full House Entertainment Private Limited for giving me this lovely opportunity. And I thank Suresh Kumar sir for believing in me and giving this opportunity to score music for this film. And I thank all the wonderful musicians who have played for this album, and they've all contributed a lot, and all the singers, all the track singers, all the chorus singers, and each and everybody who has contributed. And I'm very confident about this product, and உங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் பிடிக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். And by the way, this is my second film in Tamil. First one was Udayan, and I hope I'm here to stay. Thanks.
Thank you very much. May I request Prince to say a few words?
I was actually planning to talk in Tamil, but then the AVs said a lot about me and I changed plans. I need to talk in English to express myself. I'm just a normal guy who wanted to act. First of all, I remember this. Ellarkum vanakkam. Just a normal guy who wanted to act. Came here. AV, they've spoken a lot about me. I may be that, but then somehow when someone says that, I get a little tense. Right now, I'm a bit tense. First of all, coming to the producers, thanks for choosing me. The director narrated me a great script, so I had to do it. Couldn't say no. Thanks for pulling in your money and getting me here. My launch in Tamil, I'm really looking forward to it. I want to work in the Tamil industry as well because I know the kind of recognition people over here give me. Yeah, cheers. And Manikant, it's your day, so have fun. Beautiful music. Thank you.
சேது அவர்களே ஒரு சில வார்த்தைகள் பேசும்படி கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம்.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Thank you, Prabhu Bhai. Thank you so much. I owe you a lot. Thanks, Dheeraj. Thanks, Karan. Then, thank you for being a great friend. Kiran sir, really honored. Sir, again, Sajil, what a sandasham. Manikan, this is your day, and we are so excited about the music. ரொம்ப நல்லா வந்திருக்க பாடலாம். And my pastor Richa, Disha, Prince, brother, it was wonderful working with you. And let me just talk about my director. See, I have been with Prabhu sir கூட ரொம்ப நாள் ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருந்தேன். Like from the time Koki, இப்போ Maina. So I can identify talents. I really understand their talents. At least நமக்கு தெரியும் இந்த ஆளை வந்து பண்ண போறேன் கண்டிப்பா. Suresh is such a great talent. Thank you so much for making a wonderful movie, and thanks for my relaunch in Tamil. Koti, Venkat, brother, wonderful camera. Thank you so much, everybody here. Thank you so much.
I request Disha Pandey to address the gathering.
Ellarkum vanakkam. I know you all are expecting some more Tamil, but I'm really excited and nervous, so won't be able to speak much Tamil today. Thank you so much, Full House Entertainment, for... It's fine. Thank you so much, Full House Entertainment team, for giving me this opportunity to work in this film. Thank you so much, Suresh sir, for sketching my character this beautifully. And yes, my co-actors, Setu sir, Prince, Richa, thank you so much for making me feel comfortable on sets. Yeah, thank you so much.
And I request Richa to say a few words.
Larkum Vanakkam. First of all, I want to thank special guests, Priyadarsan sir, ma'am, and Prabhu Solomon sir, and everyone for gracing the event. We are honored to have you all here, and thank you all of you for coming here. And I want to thank my director, my producer, and my entire team for giving me this opportunity. It was always my dream to be part of Tamil cinema, and with this film, one of my dreams is gonna fulfilled. I am super excited for MMS as it has come out really good, and I want to thank all my co-actors, directors, and everyone for cooperating throughout. Thank you so much. Enjoy the evening. And I want to appreciate Manikant Kadri sir music. He has done a great job. It's already a success in Telugu, and now we are hoping for the best in Tamil as well. Thank you so much.